Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, today I got this guy right here. $6 on sale. It's a folding utility knife. Comes with one blade. The release is different than my other ones. Other ones here, and all this. Where the release is on the inside right here. You gotta do that and then possibly snag your finger. Well, but I bought two of them. Right here. This is one I've been using. I already scratched up the A, but that's okay. Now, when I first got it, I'm like pulling this open. It's like really snug in there, and it's really hard to get into there. And then you release it, it goes back in. But it says right there, quick flip. What we do is push and pop it open, which is nice. And then push, pop it closed. And that holds it in, so it's harder to come out and say something like this or something like this. So it's less chance of you stabbing your hand if you have it in your pocket and you reach in there. Now I like these because they're green, my favorite color, green. Also, the belt clip is reversible. You keep it here, it comes here when you first get it, or put it here. Here's the screw hole. Here are the two tabs where it goes in. Put it there because the belt clip is on the reverse side of it at first. And at first I'm like, well, maybe I'll switch it over to be like my other ones, but it's not bad because this doesn't pop open and it hasn't popped open in my pocket, which is good. And I'm not afraid of it jamming me in the hand. The only thing bad about it that I don't like is the spare blade. You can only hold one, and you have to have the knife open when you take the blade out because the blade changing button right here blocks it so you can't open it, which could be a good thing because it won't open up accidentally in your pocket and then again stab you. So that could be a good thing too. The blade releases just like many other ones. Press the button, pull the blade out, flip it around, and then put it back. And then pops down. Now I like that. They're $6, so get them while you can. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.